I know there will be a lot of discussion today about the politics of all this. That's how these things tend to be viewed here in Washington. But that discussion completely misses the point.
She'd have the government force every individual to buy insurance, and I don't have such a mandate because I don't think the problem is that people don't want health insurance, it's that they can't afford it. Well, if things were that easy, I could mandate everybody buy a house, and if a mandate was the solution, we could try that to solve homelessness by mandating everybody buy a house.
Number one, understand that when Senator Clinton says a mandate, it's not a mandate on government to provide health insurance, it's a mandate on individuals to purchase it. In some cases, there are people who are paying fines and still can't afford it, so now they're worse off than they were. They don't have health insurance and they're paying a fine. And in order for you to force people to get health insurance, you've got to have a very harsh, stiff penalty. And Senator Clinton has said that we will go after their wages. Now, this is a substantive difference. She believes that we have to force people who don't have health insurance to buy it. Otherwise, there will be a lot of people who don't get it. I don't see those folks. And I think that it is important for us to recognize that if, in fact, you're going to mandate the purchase of insurance and it's not affordable, then there's going to have to be some enforcement mechanism that the government uses. And they may charge people who already don't have health care fines or have to take it out of their paychecks. And that, I don't think, is helping those without health insurance. That is a genuine difference. Understand what this debate is about. And this is a legitimate policy debate, and I respect the positions that John and Hillary have taken. They have decided that we should mandate coverage for all adults. I believe that the problem, and understand what that means. A mandate means that in some fashion, everybody will be forced to buy health insurance. Now, John's been honest that that may mean taking money out of people's paychecks in order to make sure that they're covered. Senator Clinton has not been clear about how that mandate would be enforced. If, in fact, we are not making it affordable enough, which is what's happening right now, and you mandate on families to buy health insurance that they can't afford, and if they don't buy it, you fine them or in some other way take money from them. No, this is what's happening.
You're ignoring that we subsidize the health care.
I haven't finished, John.
Okay.
Let me finish. Go ahead. Now, what is happening in Massachusetts right now, there are articles being written about it, which is that folks are having to pay fines and they don't have health care. They'd rather go ahead and take the fine because they can't afford the coverage.
Whatever the politics, today's decision was a victory for people all over this country. Today, the Supreme Court also upheld the principle that people who can afford health insurance should take the responsibility to buy health insurance.